If you want to make 2D animations just like this, then you need Adobe Express. And for this, you don't need to have any animation skills or even video editing. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Now, let me show you how. First, open up your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in new.express.adobe.com. Press enter and you will be prompted to sign in. You can choose the create an account option and sign up manually or use your social accounts as well. I'm quickly going to sign up with Google. Once you gain access to Adobe Express, just click on View All alongside any option. Now click on Video, and here you will find Animate Characters. Click on this. Now you can choose from the list of various different characters, and you have the option to change the background as well. You can freely resize and adjust where you want to place your character. From the size option, you can choose your aspect ratio or quickly select your desired platform. Once you are done, you can either record your own audio by clicking on Record, or you can also upload your pre-recorded audio by clicking on Browse. If your audio file has some background noises, you can also enable the Enhance Speech option. Now, I have this sample audio recorded just for this purpose. I'm going to open it, and now we just need to wait for a few seconds as the animation gets prepared. Once your animation is ready, you can check out your preview and even make some changes if you need to by clicking on Open in Editor. If you are satisfied with the result, you can click on the Download button to now download your animated file. And there you have it. That is how you can make simple 2D animations absolutely for free without any knowledge in animation or video editing. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.